Hey everyone, what's going on out there? Well, here we are. I'm in the, fourth day of my newfound freedom, and working on the 580. And so, anyway, I put this new alternator on, reman alternator, and I kept having a problem with it triggering itself to charge. So, did a little figuring and came up with a plan to energize it so I don't have to rev it up and get it to charge and hope that it charges. Anyway, so here we are. This is the battery voltage right now, and hope you can see that. I don't know if you can. Let me see. Better. There we go. Okay. 12.69. Okay, anyway. So what we're going to do, we're going to start it up. And I'm going to show you the voltage that it has, and then I'll explain how I did it to get it to charge. So here we go. Okay, sorry about all that. I have so many hands to do this with. At any rate. Okay, so here's the alternator. Here are the wires. And the problem was the regulator just couldn't figure out what it was going to do. So, came up with this idea that if I energized it, perhaps it would charge on its own. So what I did was, went in the back, there's a hole right here. You stick a screwdriver in there and trip it, it'll charge. Well, that worked, but I can't trip it every time to get it to charge. So what I did was, I put this diode in, and I'll explain how this works. This is a diode from a Ford truck, and it's used on the auxiliary circuit that powers a trailer for a tow package. Connected it to this wire, and this is the wire that tells the regulator what it needs to do on the internal alternator, or the internal regulator on this Delco Remy alternator. So I put switched power, we'll go around the other side here, from the fuel pump, and this is the connection here that turns on and turns off the fuel solenoid inside the fuel pump here so that it runs with the key. So the diode stops it from staying energized and making it so that I can turn off the key and de-energize the circuit and shut the engine off. If I didn't do that, the alternator would keep it energized and it would continue to run. So that's what the diode does. But it charges at an idle, as you saw, which is pretty darn good. And that's it. So I've done some other stuff since I've been let go from my job. And that's it for now. More to come. All right. Take care, everybody.